This is a very small Mantel clock. It was made by a company called Perfecta and runs for 8 days. It has a timepiece movement, single train, and it's very, very small. I think it's cute. It's a mini Mantel clock. I really love those brass mountings here on the sides. And here on this area it used to have a logo of the company that fell off, and it's now in the back of the clock. This is not the original key. This key comes from a Mantel clock that is no longer among us. It had the same round movement as in my Dugena Mantel clock, but it broke, so the key remained, and it fits this clock. Now let's see the back. On the back of the clock we have this large metal panel instead of a door, and behind it is a small movement. It has a large open mainspring, and the ratchet wheel and ratchet click are on the main wheel, which gives no maintaining power, but I assume it's fine. Here's the lever escapement. And this is the logo that fell off the front. It either says Perfecta or Perfecta, but it surely runs for 8 days. I don't know where it was made, although the hands on this clock look similar to some Smith's Enfield Mantel clock hands, so it might be English. And just as every Mantel clock that I have, it might be made in the mid-20th century, 1950s, 1960s or so. And it's actually a nice looking movement, and it runs great, it keeps good time. Well, there you have it, the front of the movement. It has a semi-skeletonized front plate. This is a side view. And you can see this is this frame protecting the mainspring. But it's not actually a closed mainspring. And there's a limit of unwinding. These two pieces of brass stop the mainspring from unwinding. And you can see it's actually anchored to the pillar of the movement. The clock stays down here because there isn't any more space up there. But it's not too bad, it's close. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and leave a like, and see you next time.